Are you finding yourself constantly wondering if someone out there is missing you? The feeling of missing someone can be quite painful, but have you ever experienced the bittersweet feeling of missing someone who is missing you in return? Unfortunately, the opposite feeling can also exist. Missing someone who doesn't feel the same way can feel like a slow and agonizing death. Here are 5 ways to identify someone is missing you. Number 1. Missing someone. Missing someone isn't just about how long it's been since you've seen them. It's about the very moment when you're doing something and wishing they were right there with you. Number 2. Mood swings. Have you been experiencing sudden mood swings without any reason? If you have, it's a strong sign that someone is missing you badly. You might find yourself accidentally blurting out their name, seeing them in everything you do, and feeling their presence subconsciously. Number 3. Dreaming someone. Dreams can be very powerful symbols. If you're dreaming about someone frequently, chances are you're occupying their thoughts too. There's even an old saying that if you dream about someone, it means they're missing you. Whether or not you believe in supernatural signs, there are plenty of other ways to spot if someone is missing you. Keep an eye out for them, reaching out to you more frequently than usual, or even sending you thoughtful messages randomly. Maybe they're dropping hints about wanting to see you, or mentioning inside jokes you both share. Whatever the case may be, if you're paying attention, the signs will reveal themselves, and who knows, maybe you're missing that special someone just as much as they're missing you. Number 4. Hollow and bored. It is worth understanding that when you feel hollow and bored, even when you're not necessarily sad, it could be the telltale sign that something is amiss. You might feel unproductive, unmotivated, and that something is just off. This restlessness could be an indicator that you are missing something, maybe a person, place, or experience. Number 5. Random memories. Another telltale sign is random memories that pop up in your mind. It's perfectly normal to miss someone when you're alone, but if you miss them even when you're busy and having fun, that's true affection. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to express your opinion in the comments, and be sure to click the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our next informative video.